Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 a day selling templates on Canva. Don't worry if you don't know what Canva is or you don't know what templates are. This video will give you all the full gist. You can make up to $100 on Canva selling templates, selling different digital designs. Today, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how Canva can help you make $100 a day. I'm going to show you how to design these templates. I'm going to show you where to sell them. So this is not a video you should miss. Before I get into that video, my name is Winnie Shum, and on this channel, I make videos about different ways to make money online. I make videos about different business ideas, and in the future, I'm planning to make videos about web design, dropshipping, and much more, as long as I see that people are interested. So the more subscribers I have, the more videos I'll make that will really help you to establish your online identity. This is the website called canva.com. So with Canva, you can create any digital products like logos, flyers, banners, resume, invitations. Anything you think of in the graphic design world, you can do it with Canva. Canva is well known because, number one, you can sign up for free and design and upload, and that is the advantage that Canva has. It has a free plan, even though it has a paying plan, which will really help you if this is what you want to do for a long haul. But if this is something that you're just beginning, you can start for free, and then when you start making your $100 a day. Now I want to start by showing how you can use Canva. So when you start here, the first thing that will demand of you is for you to sign up. So you can see the sign up button here. So you just click the sign up button, and it's going to ask you to either sign up with your Google account or Facebook. So I'm just going to use my Facebook because it's very easy to sign up. So I click continue. There we go. I'm signed up for Canva. That's it. That's how simple. It's a 2 seconds thing, and you are part of Canva. So now it says here that a confirmation email will be sent to your email, and then you have to click it in order to verify your email. So you just need to go to your email and do that. So now you are signed onto Canva. You are on the free plan. So you can also go pro. It's okay. So for now, we are just going to use the free account because we do not have money to sign up. So you want to do everything for free. So now you have to choose, what do I want to sell online? What will I use to make money online? For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to create a flyer. So let me show you how to create a flyer with Canva. It is very, very simple. So you can create a lot of things with Fiverr, and not only flyers. You can see here you can create logos, flyers, banners, posters, invitation. You can use Canva to establish a business, which means you can let people know that you are a graphic designer. Being a graphic designer, you design logos and flyers and invitations for a lot of people. And when you've established yourself, the next thing is that you want to design a complimentary card for yourself that you can give to people and tell them, I am a designer. If you need invitations, you can let me know. If you need logos, you can let me know. I'll do it for you at affordable prices. That's how you sell yourself, guys. There is no easy way to make money. You need to do the work. So we are going to go ahead and create a flyer. So let's come to templates, and here in templates, it gives us templates like things that we can redo, we can redesign and sell them. Now you see this yellow mark here showing pro. So these ones, they are for those who have paid for the pro, but they are also very good free options. So now we are going to go for the free options because we do not have money for the pro right now. So you can see here, you know, this one is free and it's also very good. This one is free. So you can see this video here of someone. You can also make videos with Canva. You can see this is a video for mobile phone. You can do this and sell to people. People will need this for adverts, to advertise the product they're selling. You can take something like this and remake it and send to people and say, this is what I do. If you need this kind of video, contact me. That's how you build a brand. That's how you build your business, especially with Canva. So that's how you're going to be able to make $100 a day. One thing you need to know is that there are many people who are in need of these services because we are now in the digital age, which means that there are a lot of people who want to have these things in order to establish their online identity, and you are there to provide it for them. So what we are going to create now, it's a flyer. So we are going to look for flyers, and then we choose a template and we go ahead to design it. So let's go for flyer. We'll click flyer maker, and it says here start designing a flyer. So we're just going to click here, and it's going to take us to the designing page. So this is where all the magic will happen. So we won't take a tour because that would take, so I'm just going to click skip tour, and you can see here on your left you have all types of flyers that you can remake. You can change these flyers into anything that you want. So now if you want to create a flyer for a football, for example, you can create these flyers and just post. So let's choose a flyer that we want to make. So let's do a restaurant flyer. So let's take this one. So once you click it, it appears here. This one is free. So all you need to do is to change everything here to suit the audience you're making this for. Of course, we have here needles. If you have another picture, what you can do is upload it here. You can see upload. I've used this account before. That's why you can see some pictures here. So you just need to click upload. You go to your computer, you choose the picture that you want to use here, the picture of food, and then you upload. If you do not have a picture of food, this is how you can get other pictures from Canva. So what you need to do is to click more, and it gives you more. So we're going to take photos, and then now we are going to take picture of rice. So I've just written here fried rice. So let's say we want to make a flyer showing that this restaurant makes the best fried rice. So we want to replace this picture because it's fried rice. So we are going to choose here any picture that we want, as long as it's free. Most of them are pro. I hope we are able to find something that is free. Most of them are pro, which means it goes with pro. So we can choose anything. For example, we can choose this. But another way to get a picture, if you want to use the pro, if you don't want to use the pro option, of course you don't have money to pay, it's you can go to Unsplash. Unsplash is a place where people get all kinds of picture for free. So you can see Unsplash, you click, and then you go to the website, and you click here, and you put in fried rice, and then you click enter. It's going to give you pictures of fried rice that you can use for free. So you can take any of these pictures and use on your Canva template. So I just wanted to show you that. So we are going to go back to our design, and we are going to replace this with let's see, I suggest we just go with this. So now it says, are you hungry? So we are just going to say here, welcome. Remember that you're putting what you want to put, so welcome to So this is how you adjust it. So when you click on the left and then you pull it, it takes it and puts it wherever you want it to go. So yeah, I say welcome to our kitchen. So everyone knows that this is a place where you eat. Let me broaden it to make it look more attractive. So it says welcome to our kitchen. So that's how I want it to be. Or if you have the name of your restaurant, you can put it here. So that's how, put in any information. It has already been done for you. You don't need to stress yourself. So people can see what you're selling, and it says here 50% off. So you just put it, if you want to change anything here, you can change, but I'm just going to leave this. So you can put here, what do you sell? So you can put here rice, beans. So let me replace this with rice. And then here I replace with beans. And then here I replace with fish. So we sell rice, beans, and fish. And then this is how you increase the size. You can just come, you see, the more you click here, the more big it becomes. It becomes bigger. So you just put it there. It's very, very good. And then here, you can put like the address. You can say Liberty Street. So let's say we are Liberty Street, and then here we put suit 1 2 3. So this is just something I'm doing just for the design. So you maintain everything. You can see how beautiful this design looks. It's simple, and it's not going to take you up to 10 minutes to do this. Yeah, you can edit the phone number. If you have a website, you can put the website link here and you're done. So that's it. You already have it in less than 5 minutes. We created this in less than 5 minutes. This was done. So once you're done with this, the next thing is that you need to download it, and you can also change the color if you want. For example, if you want to change this yellow color, you can see here, you can come here and you can change to any color. Can you see? You can change to any color, anything you want. Can you see? So that's how you change it. It's very simple. You change it here, and then you change it to anything that you want to change it to. You can see you have different colors that you can try out and do the design. Some of you have talent in designing. Canva is the great choice for you. So we are just going to go with the color that was there before. So now what we are going to do is we are going to try to download it. So we come here and we click download template. So you can download it here. If you want a transparent background, you have to pay pro, so you have to download it as it is, and then you click download and it's going to download straight into your computer. You can see, let me show you that it downloads. Let me just show you that it downloads. So that's it. So I just need to save it PNG, and that's it. You sell it. You can download it as well in different formats. For example, when you click download, it gives you different formats that you can download in. So you click here, you can download in different formats. You can download as picture, PDF. You can even download videos. Anyhow, you can download it as PDF for printing. And I also want to show you that you can also use Canva to do logos. So let's go back to the home. You could see there that we have options to do logos. So we say logo maker. So you come here, design a logo, and it takes you back here. You choose whatever. These are logos, and people are looking for this. People on Fiverr are paying $10 per logo, $15 per logo, and this is all they do. They make $100 a day. So you can come here and then you choose anyone that is free, since you're on a free account, and then you redesign this and make it beautiful and sell to people. That's what people do, and they make $100 a day, even more than that on Fiverr. Now, your next question will be, how do I sell this? Now, let me show you. The first place you can sell this is on Etsy. This is Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace where you can sell basically anything. Now, if you're in Africa, you'll be restricted because Etsy is not yet open to Africans. But if you're not in Africa, then Etsy will be the best option for you. All of these are Canva templates. All of these people have designed this through Canva. You can see here, I've put in here Canva templates, and it gives me a lot of this. And you can see this person has 343 sales. So this is something that you can create an account. This one has 2,894 sales, and they have designed all of this with Canva. So the next place where you can sell is this website called Creative Market. Creative Market is a place where you can sell templates or design or digital templates. So when you come here, you create an account and you can upload the templates from Canva and sell them here. So you can see this one has uploaded templates from Canva, social media mockups. This one has uploaded media mockups. This one has uploaded Canva proposal. They have uploaded a lot of Canva templates, and they are selling it for a lot of money. This one is selling for $28, this one $27, $37, $21, $39, $30, $19, $23. All of these people are selling designs made from Canva for free. So this is an opportunity, guys, completely for free. And if you do not have, or if these websites are not accessible to you because you're in Africa and they don't accept accounts from Africa, it's okay. Another thing you can do is you should go to Instagram. Instagram is for everyone. Just go to Instagram and create an account. Rate yourself as a digital marketer. So these are accounts of people who do designs from Canva. This person just does logo. And you can use Canva to design the logos I'm putting here. The logos on Canva are even better than what I'm seeing here. So this person has created an account and has put themselves logo design work. So if someone needs a logo, they come here, they will just write to this guy and say, I need a logo. You can say DM for your order. So he doesn't need a website to sell his logo. You can do the same. These are accounts that sell logos and flyers on Instagram, and some of these flyers on Canva are even better than what we see here. Why can't you create your own profile and start selling as well on Canva? Tell people, this is what I do. Create designs for free, download them, upload them on your Instagram, and that's how you can establish yourself as a digital creator without necessarily going to school and having the skills. With online now, we can do everything basically online. So this is how you can sell it. The first option is to sell it on Etsy, and the second option you can sell it on Creative Market, and the third option is to create an Instagram account and present yourself as a digital or a graphic designer. Present yourself as a graphic designer and start offering your services of logo design, flyer design to people. So what you need to do is to come to Canva and try to redesign the templates. There are thousands of templates that are free, and there are thousands of categories that you can choose from. There are people getting married every day, you can take contracts to do invitations for them. You can say this is an invitation where you can do any invitation that you want. You just click here on the portrait you want, and you're going to choose, look at invitations, and most of them are free. Most of them are free. These are invitations that people are willing to pay a lot of money for. Most of them are free. So you come here, you take it, you download it, and then you put it on your profile. Even on Facebook, some of us don't know how to use social media. This is how you use social media to make money. Create these templates and sell them on Instagram, sell them on Facebook. That's how a lot of people are doing business online. You don't need a website. We have social media. You can start there. So I just wanted to bring this opportunity to you guys. I hope that you take advantage of this. If you have a question, or if you want me to make more videos on how to design, or if you want me to make more video on how to design on Canva, it's okay. Let me know, and I'm going to do that video for you. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.